Latex is becoming increasingly widespread, but removing it from tanks is a complex task. That's why OMZ has developed specific, efficient, and safe washing systems. Together with Ma-Fra, a leader in professional cleaning solutions, we have created the OMZ Approved Professional Solution line. Products that work in perfect synergy with our systems. Each tank is thoroughly cleaned, even from the toughest residues, without damaging the surfaces. Washing cycles are optimized, less time, lower consumption, less waste. Consistent and reliable results every time. OMZ technology and Ma-Fra detergents ensure a safe, sustainable, and high-performance treatment. Easy to manage, even in the most complex contexts. More productivity, more safety. OMZ and Ma-Fra transform industrial washing into a fast, reliable, and environmentally friendly process. Every tank is ready for use in record time, with maximum cleanliness, hygiene, and performance. Ma-Fra OMZ Approved. Technological innovation.